Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will show you how to create a fun and interactive game that challenges players to navigate through a maze using a microbit. The objective of this game is to collect as many points as you can within a 30-second time limit. To score a point, you must reach a goal point, which will add 1 point to your score. Once you've reached a goal, you will need to navigate your way to the next one to continue scoring. So now let's get started building the game. On Make Code Editor, start a new project and add these blocks. To build the game, you will need cardboard, aluminum foil, and a hot glue gun. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Stay tuned and see you next time.